Okay, I can figure this out. Yeah, let's just turn it upside down. Spin it so okay, that works. There we go. Now we're cooking.
Hey guys, how's it going? Here's what sold for me recently. This vintage Abercrombie French t-shirt sold for $35. Here's an Arcit 360 architecture set that sold for parts for $100. This Prius hubcap I found on the side of the road sold for $30. This Canon CanoScan 9000F Mark II sold for $220. I paid $10. AT&T 3G microcell sold for $100. This is a Fujitsu ScanSnap S1500 document scanner. I sold this for $125. You want to fully test this with any scanning software you have. I use Adobe Acrobat. I paid $5 for this iRobot Brava 390T. Sold it for $120 free shipping. How I test these is by putting in batteries in the North Star and charging the Brava. I'll pair the devices and let it run around as if it were cleaning. Here are some shoes that I'm listing today. These are Bo Jackson Nike trainers. Heelys Propel 2.0s. These are like new. You want to make sure the wheel spins freely. Asics Onitsuka Tigers Tokidoki collab. Nike Zoom Pegasus 35. Here's some Birkenstocks. These are not the typical Arizona or Jasper models you see. These are called Gary. Here are some personals that I'm selling. Nike SB Polar Blazers. SB Dunk 2006 Wheat Bronze. SB Dunk 2009 Sea Crystal, and some triple white blazers. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.